Hi, my name's Alex Copeland. I work with Richard Fairburn and the Online Success Model team. This is another video in our Instant Traffic System course. This time we're talking about email traffic. Now this is a very cool method because it gets you really targeted traffic to your squeeze page, your sales page, or wherever you want to send it, and it's probably the easiest one once you get past the initial stages. Basically, what we're going to do is use email and take advantage of other people's email lists. Now here's the basic sequence that someone would use for their list. They have a product that they have on a blog or whatever it is that's building their email list. Someone joins that list and those people start getting an email sequence. They might receive an email once a day, once every other day, once a week, or whatever it is that they've decided to do. You're sending the person to a sales page or a blog post or whatever it is, and that's the basic idea behind the email sequences. Now basically what we're going to do is find people who have a large email list inside of our own niche and contact them. And we're going to be working with them so that they will place our email swipe inside of their email sequence. Okay, so let's say you're sending out an email every other day. Well, we slip in on there and they send our email on one of those days instead of their own email. So how do we find people that have a big email list or an email list at all in our niche? Well, the main place is product launches, because you know that anyone that's got a product launching is building their list. And every day people are releasing information, products, software and things like that. Head on over to muncheye.com to see things that are being launched, or you can even go to clickbank.com to see things that are already in the marketplace. Take a look at all the different products that they've got to offer. There's loads of products in almost any niche you can think of. When you find one that suits you, go to the page to find their information and then contact these people and see what it will take for them to send out your email. You can also do this through blogs and forums related to your niche if you want to reach out to people on those as well. Introduce yourself and try and build a relationship. Tell them who you are and tell them what you have to offer, and make sure that your offer has real, true value. You don't want to be fobbing these people off with some rehashed PLR product. It has to be something that's got truly original content that you've created or had it created for you. Then you say to them, hey, I have this content. I would love to work together to build an email list. Would you be happy to send out to it? Just be straight with them and ask them what it will take for them to do this for you. Do they want money up front? Do they want 100% commissions on the item that they're promoting? This is still good because you get the email list. Try your best to work on whatever partnership you can to form with them. Everyone has different needs. One person might want the money. That's fine. One person might want a large commission on your products. That's fine. One person might want you to do some work for them in the future, like some graphic work or something in your skill set. Again, fine. It really depends what they want in exchange for them sending out that email for you. Now maybe you need to tailor your content a little bit to match theirs. Maybe you need to rebrand it so it's the style that they want. And again, this is perfectly fine for the benefits of what you're going to get from them emailing for you. As I said, this is probably the simplest method, but it's also definitely the most effective when it works. And you can get the quickest results by using this method. It doesn't take much to find the people in your niche either. You can use the blogs, you can do the product creators, there's webinars, there's forums, there's all sorts of places where they all hang out. Reach out to them and ask them what it would take to have them email for you, and even give them an email swipe so they don't have to do anything. You'll be surprised. People love to be given decent content for nothing, and because it's amongst their email sequence and it's not all of it, and they're likely to make some money off of selling the product, they're probably going to be quite happy to do it.